cooperatives brought up you a surprise patrol.
Really? Yay! Look, guys! Isn't that exciting? We're gonna have an ecosystem. It's gonna have frogs and fish and all kinds of cool stuff in it. A whole aquarium set up.
What types of things?
We're gonna have plants and animals. It's gonna have different water life, and it's gonna show the kids an ecosystem. It's gonna be its own ecosystem.
Okay, so
Yes.
basically once you put the lid on the top of it, you won't have to let creepy crawlies out.
That's right. That's right. And it'll all maintain itself. We won't even have to feed them because the plants will feed the animals, and it'll all take care of itself. I have 55 students, and they'll all get to help build it and make observations and watch the animals grow.
I don't know if you know this, but the way this is funded, a lot of your students' parents allow us to round their power bills up to the next highest dollar. And we take those pennies, nickels, and dimes, and our foundation said, let's invest it back in the classroom. So
Well, thank
that's
you.
how
We
we do it.
appreciate all that the co-op does for our community. And after the storm, you know, they go out and these people give us our electricity. So we are very thankful for all you do as well.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank
So,
you.
I want you to hold that,
Yay.
and